Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, well, there's been in the last week in the news a dismantling of a ransomware group that was behind attacks in 71 countries. So this is, of course, done by Europol, and, of course, the mastermind behind this, a Ukrainian 32-year-old Ukrainian that resided in Kiev was arrested, and all of the guys around it that actually were doing a lot of problems around the world with these ransomware attacks. The investigation unveiled that the organization or the organized group of ransomware affiliates encrypted more than 250 servers of major corporations. So that, of course, meant they made millions of dollars or millions of euros, and they they were asking for Bitcoin and payment for giving back the data. So it's pretty interesting. The 20 investigators from Norway, France, Germany, and the United States helped the Ukrainian National Police with the investigation in Kiev. Europol set up a virtual command center in the Netherlands to process all of this. And this is pretty cool. So that also means that now there will be some decryptions that will be released. So when this happens, of course, that also means that the guys behind it had, the decryptors that could be used to actually get the files back. Now, because they've been arrested, these decryptors are now online. They're going to be free to get for the LockerGoga and MegaCortex ransomware. So this is pretty cool. And this is definitely going to be useful for a lot of people. I always say that when you get ransomware, basically to get back your data, to be patient. And sometimes, you might say, well, yeah, but I need it now. That's why you need backups. But if it's data that you can manage to not have for a certain amount of time, but still keep, well, sometimes patience does pay. In this case, if you had not paid the guys, but still have the locked files, now these decryptions are available. And it would seem that Bitdefender is one of the groups that actually has the decryptors for ransomware. So that's a good news. But, unfortunately, when they stop a group, another one pops up. And this is really just, a drop in the ocean for arresting people that had a lot of activity in ransomware. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.